Hey, it's Zach here, Zach Childress with the Madison County RIA. I am glad you're on this page. That tells me you want to grow your real estate business. Now, we've got some exciting news. We're rolling out our once a year find and flip workshop. And this is the workshop you want to be at if you're looking at today's market and you're trying to learn how to get in, find good deals, how to analyze those deals, how to find the funding for those deals, and then turn around and flip those deals for $20,000, $40,000, $60,000 or even more profits. And so look, if you don't know who I am, I'm Zach. I've been investing for 21 years, and I've been investing in good markets, bad markets. I've went through stock market ups and downs. I've been through the Bitcoin phases. I've been through it all, and I'm still here investing in today's market as an active real estate investor, and that's important for you to know. And so I want to just take a minute here and just introduce you to what we've got going on here. And so because this event is something that you definitely want to come on board, spend 3 days with us and learn what this business is all about. Look, if you've been to our other events, then you know what we deliver at those events, and it is a world of information. It's built into frameworks, so it's easy for you to consume, and it's actionable items for you to go out and start implementing this into real life operations of your business to get your first, second, or just multiple deals that you want to do. And so I encourage you, click the link below to sign up and come to our 3-day event. Now, what are we going to be talking about is these 4 pillars to the framework of your find and flip business model. From understanding your foundation to understanding how we go out and we implement what's called a lead intake process to find deals, communicate, research, analyze, negotiate, how we contract those deals. We're going to move into how we move those deals into escrow. But more importantly, we're going to talk about all the investing strategies, which we call Pillar 4 Smart Investing. Now listen, this is what's the most important part. I'm rolling out a brand new investing strategy that you want to come learn called the trifecta flip model. This is what is needed right now in this market when we're seeing interest rates as high as they are, when we're seeing prices being bid up, and some investors just don't know how to take advantage of that because they don't have the specialized knowledge. So I am going to be teaching at this find and flip workshop this new strategy known as the trifecta flip method. So you definitely want to come join us, be part of this, learn the new information, the new tactics and strategies that will excel you in today's market. Now, I also want to just take a minute and talk about the condition. Everybody says that we're in a market, it's hard to find deals. Well, it is if you're looking in the wrong pond. So I definitely want to spend time with you on not just where to look, but how to engage sellers that are not on the market, that are off market, so that you're direct to seller, and how to build your awareness campaign so that leads come to you with zero marketing dollars spent. And that will help you understand why our students are out there putting deals together without this massive marketing budget or campaign. So as you can tell, this event is very important for you to be at. It couldn't be at a better time. If you're struggling, if you're new, if you're trying to figure this out, you definitely want to attend this 3-day workshop because it will lay the foundation over 3 days of all the frameworks that will be very clear to you on how you can go out and start making that extra $20,000, $40,000, $60,000 on a flip that you can then start to build your long-term wealth from this. So what do you do next at this point? Well, look, on the very next page from here, there is a whole page full. It breaks down everything we're going to be teaching. It talks about the early bird pricing. I hope you're still able to get it. But it's all on that next page. It breaks down everything that we're doing, what you'll be expected to come prepared for, when we're doing it, the times we're doing it, the location we're doing it at. Everything's on the next page. But also more importantly is you're getting a starter kit. Yes, I will be sending you some documents, some worksheets, some layouts that you're going to need to have and be prepared to use at this workshop, because this is not just a come learn, this is a come learn and implement while we're together for this 3 days, in hopes that you'll come out with a solid plan to go out and execute and build the path to the real estate investing business that you want. So stop everything. click the blue button below this video or even scroll down and watch a video from some of my past boot camps and what people had to say there, and then go to the next page and see everything, and then hopefully you can get in on the early bird pricing and secure your seat for this 3-day workshop that's coming up real soon. I'll see you on the next page. Bye now.